This video is my first apartment tour. So I'm in Wisconsin, so I'm able to get a little bit bigger of an apartment if I was in like LA or New York, but I am slowly starting to decorate everything and make it look really cute. I still have a far way to go, but I thought it'd be fun to do an apartment tour now and then see in like a year what it looks like then. So when you come up, this is the entryway, and this isn't, you'll find a theme that I'll be like, this isn't done yet, this isn't done yet, this is just set up. This is getting like to be a cute picture or something, and I'm redecorating this whole thing, but I have this set up just a little bit. And then when you come in to the apartment even more, my sister's helping me film this, so we're hoping she's not too shaky. But this first door right here is where we keep like all of the shoes and then the coats, and then the rest of it's a slight disaster. Someday we'll get to organizing this all. And then over here is the first bathroom. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is like the guest bathroom, and it looks like this. Again, have not decorated really anything in here. This is from Target. I'll have like links to every single piece in my apartment in the down bar, so you can find the things, but this is from Target. The gold shower curtain hooks are also from Target. And then I have a whole plan in here. I think I want to do like, I don't know, you'll see. We'll decorate it together, I'm sure. And then coming over here is the kitchen and living room area. So this is the kitchen. And then, do you just want to give them a peek at the living room? We're going to close this before. And then this is what the living room area looks like. But for the sake of this tour, we'll start in the kitchen. So one of the things, well, I was like really excited about a lot of things in this kitchen. It's huge for an apartment, which is awesome. And then there's a ton of like storage space. Was not excited about the red cabinets, but you gotta do, I'm not complaining. This is a pretty nice apartment, but I also like that there's a gas stove, and then I'm slowly but surely starting to decorate all of this. This is, don't show this part. This is like my bad word counter, poop counter. So then, yeah, it has like a stainless steel appliances, dishwasher. I got these chairs also from Target, and they're really dusty. This is a real life tour, but these were $110 for a set of 2, which is an amazing price for bar stools. So then you come over here, and this is actually from Home Depot, and it came unstained, so my boyfriend and I stained it to look like this, and then we're decorating that. You can see how we have not changed the picture in here at all, but these baskets below are from Target, and they're really cute. I swear I bought things that were not just from Target. And then this over here we have the couch. All of my rugs in my apartment are from Rugs USA, and then this couch is from Ashley's. This wall's huge, so I wanted it to be like a statement wall, and I was able to do this for like under $150, which is really, really good. Those picture lights are from IKEA. They were silver, and we gold leafed them. And then the frames are from Michael's for like $6 each. And then I DIY'd and painted that whole entire canvas and made the frame for it. So that was awesome. And then we have, if you swing it around, we have this little area over here with this mirror is also from Target. Are you in it? And then this bench is from Overstock, and I got a lot of pillows from Woven Nook, which I love. And then out here is my balcony. So this is the patio area, and it's a lot bigger than normal apartment patios. So there wasn't enough room inside to fit a table, so we have one out here, and we love having it out here, even though it like barely fits. We really do like having it out here, but it just adds on a little extra living space, especially for when it's actually nice out. We don't get it too nice out here in Wisconsin, so when it is, we like to appreciate it. And then coming back inside, here, I'll close this door. Okay, then over here, which is like, this is the guest bedroom. My sister, who's filming this, is living with me right now because she's in college, but because of the world, she's here for right now. So this room's a major work in progress, but we're starting to decorate it. So this bed is from Walmart, and it was like $150, which is such a good deal for the bed. And then we have this desk. It's kind of just a mess over here, but this desk is from World Market, and it's really, really cute. And then someday I'm going to put curtains up and make this look a lot more cute than it actually is. Okay, over here we have, this is a pantry, and then we have a laundry room, which it's a huge laundry room, so I'm like so lucky. But it's just like this. And then we have another big closet. The reason that I picked this apartment was because this one had like an insane amount of closet space where the other ones really didn't have as much, so I got really lucky. But having an in-house washing machine and dryer is like living, I feel like I'm really living large over here. Okay, then we have my bedroom, and my pillow is really falling off, but this bedroom is a really good size. Like a lot of the other rooms, we haven't really decorated that much in here. I hung these curtains, and then I styled the bed a little bit, but like the nightstands aren't decorated at all, except these are from Walmart, which I feel like they look really good for being from Walmart. And then, yeah, we have a TV on that back wall. I have no idea how I want to decorate this back wall. It's just like a huge blank canvas, so I'll figure that out eventually, I'm sure. And over here is the closet, which is a really big closet as well. And I try to keep this as organized as possible, but you know, life, sometimes you're not as organized as you want to be. Okay, moving on to my bathroom. This is another space that has literally not been touched. It's crazy because I feel like I've been decorating non-stop since I got my apartment, and I've been spending just so much money on decorating, but then there's still so much to do, which is fun because that'd be sad if I was already done decorating it, and I just moved in a few months ago. So that is my first apartment. I realize that's not like, this isn't a normal first apartment, but I really love it, and I'm so happy that I have it. It just is really nice to be able to have your own space that is not someone else's, and I really hope that this gave you a lot of good ideas for your own apartment. If you want more decorating ideas for your apartment, organization tips, and cleaning hacks, follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee and subscribe to my channel.